Hi, in this video we're going to look at transformations of graphs. Okay, so what we got here, we've got a graph of a quadratic. We've got a minimum point of 1 minus 2, and the graph is shown in the diagram. F of x is x squared minus 2x minus 1. Okay, so if we click here, and this applet I'll put in the notes of the video as well. If you click here, then we've got this red function. At the moment, it's like exactly on top of the original diagram. But if I move h in the positive direction, okay, what that does, it translates every unit 3 units along. However, you've got to be careful because that's written as x minus h, so h is actually 3. And because it's minus 3, it means it actually goes in the positive direction. If we want to find out what the actual function is, then we have, instead of x, we need to put in x minus 3 squared minus 2 times x minus 3 minus 1 and work that out. If we move back this way, let's do minus 4, okay, then you'll notice this becomes f of x minus minus 4, which would be written x of plus 4. Okay, so plus 4 means you move it in the negative direction, and this is just one thing you just need to get used to. So functions that move with x minus a number go in the positive direction, x plus a number, f of x plus a number goes in the negative direction. So the conclusion is y is equal to f of x minus h is a horizontal translation h units compared with the original function, okay, and this we can call a translation h 0. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how about horizontal translations of a graph. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.